Online resources include an almost unlimited range of information and instructional activities available via the internet. The ability of students to instantly research virtually any topic is one of the defining characteristics of the 21st century classroom. When should teachers make use of online resources? Whenever instruction needs to extend beyond the content of the classroom and textbook into the real world of information research and resource evaluation. In this video, we will see how teachers are using online multimedia to capture students' attention, support reading, and engage the senses. We'll also see how online resources help prepare students for college entrance exams and other occupational tests for firefighters, military, or a career with the Secret Service. Also see how students prepare for college by using Ohiolink, the online resource center available to all students enrolled in any college in the University System of Ohio. The equipment needed to access online resources is any device that uses a standard browser such as Firefox or Explorer to connect to the internet. In this first example, we observe students learning about EBSCOhost and Newsbank to find additional resources for their newspaper articles.
Okay, what we're going to discuss today are the InfoOhio databases and EBSCOhost. EBSCO has several different databases within it. We're just going to do the student research. Put in a topic that you're interested in, something that you want to find. There's magazines, you can look at newspapers. Click on the title to get the article, or you can click on the HTML full text. It'll have citation information, it'll have everything you need to cite that resource.
In this next example, the media specialist guides a college-bound student through the steps to access Learning Express Library to practice taking college entrance exams.
Learning Express Library is one of the databases available through InfoOhio. And it has a variety of tests that are available, everything from 4th grade math to AP classes and professional development, even resume and skills building. And there's a list of tests that you can take. These are geared mostly toward high school, college prep type tests. There's AC practice test, and we're going to go into the advanced placement tests. Once you find the test that you want to add, it'll add it to your center, and then you can start taking the test now. Then you can stop and start the test as you want. It'll take you back to where you finished, and you can finish the test at your own pace.
Ohiolink is a great resource for any student, but specifically students enrolled in college AP classes. Here we are energetically guided through the resource Ohiolink by a high school student who definitely has experienced the benefits of using its resources.
I am taking a post-secondary class at college, and I use Ohiolink with the class. I can look up stuff for my research paper and the stuff that we're learning about in our chapters. Sometimes if I need to know more about a subject of what we're learning about, I look it up and everything. And what's nice is if you search it in, it highlights the word. Books are really good, like books are probably the best, but then it takes a little bit more time to find the right book. And then with Ohiolink, I can just go and type in what I need to find, and then I can find it and I'm okay. I don't have to look through 10 books to figure out one thing. It's just right there for me, and it's reliable.
By acknowledging the internet resources that are available to students, it's really going to help them, whether they go to college or some other profession. They need to be able to do that. They need to be able to find the correct resources and evaluate those, and then to be able to interpret them, and that's all our responsibility. I recently collaborated with an 8th grade English teachers about how to do web evaluation, and the fact that we promoted and discuss with our kids about using InfoOhio and the other electronic databases because they're accurate, they're current, they're reliable. It's just an awesome resource for them, but we know they're going to go out on the internet and search Google and search other places for information, and they need to know how to evaluate those websites. It's kind of changed in the last few years, and we've gone much more toward internet resources available, mostly because of the cost and especially because it keeps our students current.